How to resolve Snapchat error support code SS07. So if you want to resolve Snapchat error code support code SS07, then first let me tell you what support code SS07 means. Support code SS07 is a error message from Snapchat. You get to see this when Snapchat detects any type of malicious activities or repeated failed logins in your account. Once Snapchat detects this, Snapchat will disable your account and will not allow anyone to log into it. Now, if you get to see the support code SS07 as a security measure taken on the part of Snapchat, this helps keep your account safe from any kind of unauthorized login. So let me show you how you can fix this issue. So in order to fix this issue, since you cannot log into your Snapchat account, you just need to simply open up your browser, and you can simply choose any browser that you're comfortable with, or the easiest way is if you have laptop or PC, then you can simply go with laptop or your PC. So once you're on the browser, now you need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and you need to make sure that you're under the desktop site and go with search. Now you just need to simply search for https help.snapchat.com/hc/en/us/request/new and hit the search. Once you hit the search, then you'll get this kind of interface, but make sure go with the upper right and then tap on desktop site. Once you're on the desktop site, you'll get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with submit a ticket page. So here you just need to simply go with I can't access my account, and after that you just need to simply go with the second option, which is I see an error message when I log in. Now you need to scroll down again, and here you will have the solutions. But if you don't get any one of these solutions work, then you just need to simply go with still need help and tap on contact Snapchat support, and it will take you to this kind of page, which is submit a request page. Here you need to go with the username, so you need to enter your username with no spaces, and you need to enter your email address, and you need to use the email address which is associated with your Snapchat account. And after that, go with the mobile number and enter the description that my Snapchat account is not being able to log in. I'm getting the error of support code SS07, so please resolve the issue. And after writing that, you need to go with submit, which is right here, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.